Hello students, welcome back. Now we will take our exercise 12.2. This is the simplest exercise based on the only standard form. So coming to the question number 1, this first part, this is written as 0 point, there are 2, 4, 6. Now we can write this. This is now 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 11 zeros. So this is 0 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 zeros, then 8 and 5. नाउ स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में अभी लिखने के लिए इस डेसिमल को अभी हम क्या कर रहे हैं, राइट में लेकर के जा रहे हैं ना, लेफ्ट टू राइट में जब भी डेसिमल आएगा तो पावर निगेटिव आएगी. सो इट विल बी नाउ 8 प्लेस के बाद हम रखेंगे. सो दिस विल बी 8.5 इंटू 10 टू पावर माइनस 12 because 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 प्लेसेज हम राइट वो लेफ्ट से राइट में लेके गए. सो दिस विल बी द एक्सप्रेशन. नाउ कमिंग टू द सेकेंड पार्ट, दिस इज 0 पॉइंट हियर 2 4 6 8 10 and 11 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 zeros and 942. So again we need to come to the one place only. So this will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 places. So this will be equals to 9.42 into 10 to power minus 12. So again coming to the third part, it is now 602, then 2 4 6 8 10 and 13. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 zeros. नाउ अभी डेसिमल कहाँ पे आएगा, राइट टू लेफ्ट आएगा तो पॉजिटिव पावर आएगी. सो दिस विल बी 6.02 इंटू 10 टू पावर. So how many places? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 places. So this will be now positive 15. So decimal अगर राइट से लेफ्ट में आएगा तो पॉजिटिव, लेफ्ट टू राइट जाएगा तो निगेटिव. सो वी कैन राइट लेफ्ट टू राइट, सो पावर विल बी निगेटिव, एंड फ्रॉम right to left, so power will be positive. Now coming to the fourth, this is 0 point, how many zeros? There are the 3 6 then 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, then this is 8 3 7. Now the decimal has to go from left to the right, so negative power. First one 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 places. So it will be now 8.37 into 10 to power minus 9. Now coming to the fifth part, express the following fifth part. This is now 3 1 8 6. Now zeros are 3 and 4 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So it will be now 3.186. Now decimal will come from right to the left, so it will be positive. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 places. So it will be 10 to power 10. So this we will write in the standard form. So now coming to the question number 2, first part, express the following numbers in the usual form. So this is now 3.02 into 10 to power, this is minus 6. So here the decimal will go 6 places. So this is 302 now. So decimal is now at one place. So minus means decimal will shift to the from, this will be from left to the right. So it will go to the negative end. So this will be 0 0 0 0 0, means 6 places from here. So 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So this will be the standard form of this. Similarly coming to the second, it is 4.5 into 10 to power 4. So it will be now 4, 5 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 zeros. Now one place is decimal, so it will be now 45,000. So now coming to the third part, it is 3 into 10 to power minus 8. So it will be now 3 और 8 प्लेस बाद डेसिमल होगा. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 places आ गए अभी. And here it is minus 8, so it will be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So here it will be decimal. So this will be the standard form of it. Similarly, coming to the next one, this is 1.0001 into 10 to power 9. So it will be now 10001 and here it will be now zeros, 9 zeros. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4 प्लेस के बाद डेसिमल एंड डेसिमल लगा देते हैं अभी. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be the number now. So we can put 10001 down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be the standard number for us. Similarly, we will come to the fifth part of it. Fifth part is 5.8 into 10 to power 12. So this will be now 58, then 12 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then one place decimal है तो अभी one place पे decimal आ गया. So it will be now 5, 8. Then these zeros 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is now standard form of this. Similarly, coming to the sixth part, it is now 3.61492 into 10 to power 6. So we will write this number 361,492 and 6 zeros, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 place decimal है तो 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 place पे decimal आ गया. So this will be now 361,492. So this is the answer for us. So now coming to the question number 3. Express the number appearing in the following the standard form. So for first one, 1 micron, this is given as 1 by 6 zeros. So this will be written as 10 to power minus 6 meters. Now coming to the second part, the charge on electron, this is given as 0.000, then 000, then 000, then 1, 6. So this is now 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, then 18. So this will be written as 1.6 into 10 to power minus 19 because 18 zeros and 1 place this. This is in a coulomb. Now coming to the third part, size of a bacteria, this is 0.00000. So there are 3 and 3, 6. So this is 3, 6, 5 meters. So we need to, so this will be equals to now 5 into 10 to power, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minus 7 meters. So now coming to the fourth part, size of a cell of the plant, this is 0.1234 zeros, 1275 meters. So this will be now 1.275 into 10 to power. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 5 meters. Now coming to the fifth part, the thickness of a paper of the sheet is 0.07 mm. So this will be simply 7 into 10 to power minus 2 mm. So this is the standard form. So now coming to the question number 4. In a stack there are the 5 books each of thickness 20 mm. So first of all we will try and find out the total thickness of 5 books. So total thickness of 5 books will be now 5 into 20. So this is now 100 mm. Similarly, we will find total thickness of 5 paper sheets. So total thickness of 5 paper sheets will be equals to now 5 into 0.016 mm. So this comes out to be now 0.08 mm. Now the total thickness of stack. So now total thickness of the stack will be, we'll add up this 100 plus 0.08. So this will be now 100.08 mm. So writing it in the standard form. So this will be equals to now 1.0008 into 10 to power minus this will be plus 2 because this is coming to the right. So this is mm. So this is now total thickness of the stack. So with this we have finished our chapter exponent and powers. Thank you. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप अभी तक हमने जो भी पढ़ा आपको समझ में आया होगा. इन केस अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट है आप हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. आप हमारे एपिसोड्स को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी रेफ़र कीजिए ताकि हम आपके लिए और भी अच्छे अच्छे सोल्यूशंस ला सकते हैं. ओके, टेक केयर, गुड बाय एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू.